explaining punk cadence. Punk cadence galing yan sa New Found Glory, Blink 182. So, ang counting ng punk ay ng normal metering, normal tempo, or normal count. 1, 2, 3. Pagtino. Ngayon, ang punk cadence is a little drunk pero sober. So parang 1, 2, medyo lasing ka. So the way you play is kinda sloppy. Tapos pero sober ka. Kinda sloppy, drunk. Diba yung lasing ka? I figure out it was a Friday night, I walk alone to get the feelings right. Mga ganun. So, kailangan yun yung drunk. Ngayon, gawin mong hanging on sober. There's some sober parts in the counting. Pak, 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 pak. Or kaya pwede mo isipin ng upbeat mo is the sober part, tas drunk, sober, drunk, sober, drunk, sober. It's a kind of a dance. So sa punk like hindi siya like lang puro drunk. And I was always standing with you and I. Hindi siya puro drunk eh. I'm wasted in all with you tonight. Like yung change up ng sober. Yun yung punk cadence, yung parang we're fucked up pero we're still sane. Parang ganon. So parang sa, dalibawa sa Blink, this is the drunk part or invert mo, this is the sober part. Tapos committing mistakes is permitted kasi you're kinda drunk.